Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make a lot of money on the Sun Solar platform. Very few days ago I made a video about this particular platform and I explained to you how to register, and I also went further to talk about how to make deposit and all that. So if you think you have not watched this video, please you check at the right top corner. You see a link there, just tap on it and then follow it how this particular website works. I'm going to show you how you'll be able to make a lot of money on the platform. I've been able to cash out myself over 700 Ghana cedis on this platform. So I just decided to show you how you'll be able to make a lot of profit, and as well show you how to also make withdrawal as soon as possible. So without wasting much time, let's get down to business. Alright, so this platform, as I said earlier, is Sun Solar. And what they do is that they actually help you to purchase a product. You understand? You purchase a product here, and buying the product will help you to earn a lot of pool cash. So when you come to their platform, they have certain products that you can invest in. They have the T0, which is you spend an amount of 4 Ghana cedis, your daily income becomes 3 cedis, and then at the end of the day your total revenue will be 6 Ghana cedis. Then we have the T1, which is actually displaying on your screen. With the T1 too, you invest an amount of 80 Ghana cedis, and then your daily income becomes 12 cedi 80 pesos. The cycle is 10 days, so at the end of 10 days you earn 128 Ghana cedis. We have the T2, which is 350 cedis. For 50 days your daily income is 14 cedis and your total revenue will be 700 cedis. They have the T3, which is the 1400. Your daily income is 35 cedis. The cycle is 90 days. Cycle means that it ends on 90 days, and your total revenue will be 3,150. And then they have the T4, which is the 4,000 cedis. You invest 4,000 cedis for 90 days. Your daily income is 104 cedis, and then at the end of the 90 days you have 9,360. The last highest package there is a T5, which is the 8,500. Your daily income is 238 cedis. Your cycle is 90 days as well, and the total revenue is 21,420. So this is basically how you can invest on the platform. You understand? So the next thing that we want to look at is, if you want to make money, enough money on this platform, what I mean is enough money, you have to refer a lot of people. You understand? That is how this platform, aside your investment, that is another way you can make money on this platform. So if you want to make a lot of profit, what do? You have to use your invitation link. So if you want to use or invite a lot of people, what you need to do is that you have to make use of this, my invitation. So you go to my invitation and then you copy your link here. This is your invite or invitation code, and down there is your invite link. So you make sure you copy your link. You understand? Copy your link and then you share to others. You understand? You share your link to others. One way you'll be able to get a lot of people is through WhatsApp, through your status, and then through your Facebook. So if you can go to Facebook, for instance, let me show you a small strategy here. You can go to Facebook here and then you search make money online. You understand? You search make money online. I just want you to follow through this video and watch till the end so that you understand all the processes and procedures I'm taking you through. So when you go to make money online, maybe in Ghana, you see this particular platform has 4.4k members. You just come here and then you write something small and then you paste your link in there, then you post it. You understand? People are posting and then they are getting a lot of comments. This person posted this platform screenshot. It says DM for more info, and the person has 20 comments here. So you can also do the same thing, and you explain to people, you give them your link and they will follow it through, and then you can get your cool cash. Now, the most important thing is that the moment you share your link, anytime that you share your link, there are 3 ways that you can earn money on Sky Sun Solar. We have the level 1, we have the level 2, we have the level what? 3. That is how the platform works. So with this platform, whenever you invite person, let's say I invite Emmanuel. Emmanuel comes, and the moment Emmanuel invests in any money, I get 8% commission from Emmanuel's what? Investment. So if Emmanuel invests, let's say 80 Ghana cedis, I get 8% commission from Emmanuel's investment, which is 8 cedis. The moment Emmanuel also invites maybe AC, now AC becomes, Emmanuel is a level 1 user, so AC becomes a level 2 user who was invited by Emmanuel. Now on AC's money investment or investment made, I'm going to get 3% of AC's what? Investment. Now when AC also invites Abby becomes a level 3 user to me, so I'll also get 1% commission from Abby's money. I believe you understand. Yeah, so it's very simple. We have 3 ways of earning. You inviting another person, level 1. That level 1 person inviting another person, level 2, you earn 3%. And that level 2 user inviting another person becomes a level 3 to you. That one to you earn 1%. So the moment you invite people, the cycle continues, and then you start making a lot of what? A lot of money. There's also another one. If you invest in T2, which is the 350 days, you become an employee. The moment you invite 5 people onto the platform, you get paid 300 Ghana cedis. Guys, I am a testimony to this, so I'm not joking here. You invite 5 people under T2, which is the 350 Ghana cedis, you become an employee. The moment you invite 5 people on the platform, get 300 cedis on board, and this is money that the company will pay to you free. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So let me go to my account. Let me also go to funding details. If you look into my funding details, you see here an amount of 300 Ghana cedis was deposited into my account after completing my task of inviting people to the platform. So you could see from here, I was given 300 cedis on the platform. So this is really well, you understand. I'm going to show you how to withdraw. Now, the withdrawal goes or has rules. You have to read all these rules before you make withdrawal. So you look at the rules here before you make withdrawal. Okay, so let me show you how you can withdraw from Sky Sun Solar. So you go to withdraw here. Now you pick the account that you have binded. So in my case, I've already binded my account. So I'll enter the withdrawal amount. So I want to withdraw 424 cedis, and then I will add my password. So after I enter my password, I come to withdraw now. So you could see here pending. So wait till the money drops in the account. Then we'll know what to do. So let's wait a bit and then see when the money will drop into the account. So you could see for my balance here that I've made a withdrawal of 300 plus Ghana cedis. You understand? Yeah, and they will actually deduct a 10% from the withdrawal charges. So you take note of that. So okay, guys. So I told you I'll be showing you the live proof of the withdrawal. So you can see from my withdrawal record that I've made withdrawal. So this is a withdrawal, and you can see from the SMS that I've received this amount. You can see clearly here that I've received 391 cedis because of the charges. I got 391 cedis into my mobile money or Voda Cash. So guys, this is really well. So guys, that is all for now. And this is your boy Sidako. Consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, hit on the notification bell so that anytime that I upload a video, you'll be the first to get notified. And make sure you also use my invitation code. You have to use my invitation code because it will be a blessing to me. You know, I introduced this particular platform to you, so make sure you consider using my invitation code. So thank you for watching and see you in my next episode. I'm out.